Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how WPTLET, which is real estate plugin for the WordPress, works. The real estate plugin helps you list your properties and get the potential customers or potential leads logged into the system. They can browse and see through the properties that you are trying to sell. So let's just check it out. Once you log in as a real estate plugin administrator, so you will see the dashboard where it will have all the details: users, payment status, property status, payment reports, kind of properties you are trying to sell or rent, task, and then inquiries, which means the leads, how many sales you have done, that kind of report. You can also have the calendar where your appointments are there, or recently sold properties or recently listed properties, right? Those are the things that you will see on the dashboard. But let's just click on the left side menu in general settings. Here you can set up your brand, so system name, you have your real estate company, the brokerage company details, your address, the currency, because you want to accept the payment in certain currency. So we do support the localization. There are more than 80 countries we support in the system, so you can have the different currencies as well. That you can select depending on what kind of currency payment that you want to accept. Then you have the system settings, so property approval, whether someone lists the property from the front end, from the website, do you want to accept and approve it, and then only it goes live. Those are the settings that we are doing. Short-term rental is for the Airbnb and the vacation rental, and the plan expiration notification is something if you want to get the property listed for a month or something like that. So those are the settings that you can do. Let's just check it out, the access rights. So remember, we have agent, owner, and management roles. For all the three roles, you can restrict the access to different modules using these access rights. So they can have view access, add, edit, delete rights. So all these checkboxes you can configure to make sure that the users has access that they need, and user doesn't has access to what they don't need. Now let's just check it out, the email template from the left side menu again. So over here we have add user mail template. So whenever a new user is added, we are sending this email, which you can configure from here. So there are, in the brackets, you have the variables that you can reuse. Those variables are available when you click on it. When you expand those variables, you can use it. So that's the email template, which you can customize it as per your branding. Let's look at the fields management from the left side menu. So fields management, you can have your custom fields. There are different modules we have. So for the property, there might have number of fields: zip code, taste, price, property type, gender, and things like that. You can always add a new field to collect the data that you need, right? So for amenities, these are related to properties. So all the fields that you want to enter here are related to properties. So we also have the short-term rental module fields as well that you can customize. So the custom will help you extend the functionality of this particular software. So this is really helpful. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel.